Welcome back. So now we need a service that will provide us with weather information of that specific location. And the service that I'm gonna use is called Weather Stack. And it has free and paid plans. The free plan will let you make 1000 calls per month. And of course, if your application grows at this point, you would have to get a paid plan. But you can start with the free plan, which will only provide you with 1000 calls per month. So you need to first create an account. If you go to the main website, you need to create an account and sign up. And then once you create an account, just go to the dashboard. And once you go to the dashboard, you will find your API access key, which is the most important thing, because this key will let you access weather information. And what we need to do is to get the URL. In order to get the URL, you can just check the documentations. And it's very simple. This is the URL, as you can see. We can copy it. And in our project, we can just paste it. But we will have to fix few things. Firstly, this is the URL, but what we need to fix is that we need to first paste the access key instead of this your underscore access underscore key. Let me just add this. So I'm gonna get back to get my key, which is this. Let me just copy it. And I'm gonna paste it instead of this. And make sure to remove the spaces. So here you should have no spaces. And then here and then the query equals to, you should remove also this space, equals to New York. Actually, we aren't going to use the query here with the name of the city. We will use instead the latitude and the longitude. Let me just remove this space and also this space. And I'm going to remove New York. And I'm going to append here plus the lat, and then comma, and then the long. And this is actually incorrect. Why? Because the lat and long are not strings. We need to convert them to strings, so we can use the parse int, and we pass the lat, and then plus, and then we add this comma inside quotes, and then plus, and then again parse here, parse int, and then we pass also the longitude. And as you can see, this is the structure. And make sure that the structure is correct, because if the structure is incorrect, if there is only one thing missing here, you will not get the weather information and you will get an error. So make sure that everything is correct. First, you need to have the URL, as you can see, and then current, and then question mark, and then access underscore key equals to your access key, which is here. And then and this, as you can see, this is and query equals to parse int the latitude, and then plus comma, and then plus parse int the longitude. And all of that, of course, inside the second parameter of the open function. Now let's save and test. So if I grab our browser and let's refresh, and we will get these options. Let me just use the weather. And once I use the weather, send, as you can see, it's first going to ask me to enable the location. If the location isn't enabled, it will ask me to enable the location. If I allow, it will continue. Let's allow. And obviously, the results will be displayed only in the console. For now, later we will be displaying it in the chat container, but let's check the console. So let me also zoom in so that you can see the structure of the coming response. As you can see, we have the location, the latitude, and the longitude. And also we have the weather. Here it says the weather description, partly cloudy, wind speed, wind degree, and also the temperature or pressure, humidity, all of this good stuff. And next, we will be just getting these and displaying them to the user instead of just displaying them inside the console.